Hey, it's Brian again, president of the NYU Swing Dance Society. This is Laurie, co-instructor, and we are going to be doing the beginner review lesson. So we quickly review what we did last week, and we went on to the tummy tuck, the carl, syncopated walks with many variations, and a dip. So to get started, what we remember from last week, we did an underarm turn, we did the here, and we have our new step called the tummy tuck. After our rock step, we turn towards our left shoulder, her arm slides along our tummy, if you will, and then we pick her back up with our right hand. So this is another move to switch from here to here. So one more time that looks rock, step, 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 a rock, step. From here, we can do any move that comes from a handshake position. Last week we learned the continuous turns, and this week we went over the carl, which looks rock, step, step,
She turns,
step, rock, step. One more time. Rock, step, 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 rock, step. A couple of points we went over are to make sure that the hand is over the follow when she's turning and the guy when he's turning. So rock, step over her, over him. Rock, step.
and switch positions, just like we did with the tummy tuck.
Yep. After that, we went over the syncopated walks. We're just rock, step, touch, touch.
We can
step,
press,
step,
release.
step,
Press,
step.
release.
So we have this feeling. Release, compress, release, compress, release.
With a little bit of steering by that back hand.
Yeah. Other variations that we did with this were kicks, rock, step, kick,
In, away,
kick,
in, away.
kick. Notice the guy's leg goes in front and the follow's behind, and you're keeping her very close. Another variation, which we'll do from the side because it's easier to see, is we did larger walks. Rock, step, 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 step. So another variation that we have is called the syncopated walks. Rock, step, slow, 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 slow. Quick down, quick down, quick down, quick down. So obviously you can do any number of slows and quicks, but we just practice with 4 and 8. So the way to get out of all of these, the first one was the underarm turn. So after the kicks or the steps or the big steps, we can just do an underarm turn. Another way that we showed you was with the kicks, we did a big kick. We should show this straight on. Rock, step, kick, 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 big kick, rock, step. Right? Notice that one's different. It goes back into a rock step first. The last variation that we showed you was a little trickier. Out of the kicks, we did a slide. Kick, 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 cross, drag. And so with this one, you have to start leading your follow back and down. Also, notice that the drag can go for any period of time that we want. Kick, cross, drag, rock step. So you can hold it for 2, 4, 8, any point, and just lead it into a rock step. We ended the class with the dip. This is just a basic dip. So after an underarm turn, rock step, we bring it in.
Step, step, down.
Very quickly, the guy's basic for it is, once she turns in, there's no more footwork after this. Once she turns in, grab the lower back, put this hand behind your back, and this hand joins the other one on the upper back. And then squat down with her. The follow should be able to do this by herself. So the lead should be able to leave, and then come back. Did you want to talk about the follow?
Yeah, so the follows footwork, we have our underarm turn, like normal. Then when we come in, we have right foot, left foot. We place our right foot right between the guy's legs, our hands on his bicep and on the middle of his back. And then we squat straight down, just like Brian said. No flinging of the heads.
So that's all that we did for the beginner lesson this week, and we'll see you next week with more East Coast.